So about 2 months ago, I unboxed this Lenovo AirPod alternative, and I just got this device only in the box, and I decided to order another one that is white with a new package bundle, which comes in with a case right here. So I'm gonna check out what's really in the box, if it's just like this old one I have right here, right? So I'm gonna check out right here, and we're gonna see what we have in the box, if it's still the same packaging. Okay, so we have our manual here, and then we have it right here, so you can see it's white, and then the case is also white. So I think this is more nicer than the black one, I can say, because look at the black right here and look at this. This looks very nice. So if you want to get it, I'm suggesting you get a white right here, and I'm going to leave links in my description if you want to purchase one. And we have our charger right here, where the black one has a black charger, and this is the main deal. So you can see right here, that's very cool. And with this one too, we have it right here, and that is basically very cool. So we are definitely gonna keep our stuff in right here. So we have the right one going here and the left one going right here. This looks just like the AirPods Pros, and I'm gonna be putting it into its case to see how best it fits in. And let's see the case too. The case isn't bad. It has a locker too right here, which you can just hook it right here, and then you just put it by your side or something. So we keep this into this to see how best it fits. So this bundle, the price is different compared to the one right here without the case. So you can choose to get either the white case or the black case, depending on whatever you feel like you want. So this is how it looks like, right? Okay, and you can get your case with your hook right here with your AirPods alternative. That is the Lenovo LP1s white. You have your spare ear ducts right here, which in case maybe any of these get missing, you can just put it right there, and that is basically very cool. So this is very cool. If you want to get it, I have links in my description, both from Aliexpress and then Amazon. I actually bought this from Aliexpress, so it will be advisable if you use the Aliexpress link, and then you're gonna get yours very easily. It's not expensive, trust me. This is not expensive. It's one of the coolest deals you would ever get, and yeah, that is basically very cool. And talking of how best this is, or how cool this device is, I think this device is very cool. It has noise cancellation, and I'll lie to you, if you have this pair of AirPods right in your ears, and then maybe someone is even calling you, probably will not hear the person unless maybe you pause the song, because it's very cool. It has this noise cancellation thing, which is super dope, and I think it's gonna be very helpful for anyone to just try this out. So if you are bent on getting anything that you probably on a budget, I think that is gonna be very helpful for you to just get it. So if this video was very helpful, just give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Share to anyone you think this is gonna be helpful to them. And without further ado, I'm just gonna catch you in the next video. Peace.